Welcome to Manchester State Park in Washington State. We have a virtual tour of this property that offers 35 tent camping sites and 15 water electric RV sites adjacent to Rich Passage in the Puget Sound. This is a true coastal gem that offers a delightful camping experience for outdoor enthusiasts. Located on the Kitsap Peninsula, this park provides a perfect blend of natural beauty, recreational activities, and tranquil surroundings. As we tour through the property, you can tell that it's a heavily wooded area, and the sites are nicely tucked in to the trees. All the other virtual tours for the state of Washington found at Campground Views. You do not need a membership to access these, and this is available right now. Go check it out over at Campground Views or at the Campground Views app.